Normally I use this compost, but you could use any compost of your choice. Any good quality potting mix or potting soil would work. Bone meal or crushed eggshells. If you would like, you can add earthworm castings because it will give you good results. I use a 1:1 ratio of potting soil and compost and 2 to 3 handfuls of bone meal. Be sure to mix all the ingredients very well. I added some leaves at the bottom of the pot to allow for some drainage. Be sure to prune your plant properly by cutting off the stem from the top. Place the pruned plant carefully into the pot and fill it with the mix you made. And in 3 months, you can see how much the plant has grown. And in my experience, bone meal is the key ingredient. Thank you for watching this video and please comment down below if you have any questions.